Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about the differences between real image and virtual image. So before going to be watch my video, please subscribe my channel Wow Academy for Physics and share to your friends. So what do you know about the real image and virtual image? Have you ever observed the image formed inside the plane mirror? Yes, that image we are calling as the virtual image. The image which is formed inside the mirror, that image is called virtual image. Clear children? The image which is formed inside the mirror, that image is called virtual image. Coming to the real image, the image will form outside the mirror in case of the spherical surfaces. So in case of the spherical reflecting surface, sometimes the image is formed outside the mirror. Such kind of image is called the real image. The image which is formed outside the mirror, that is called the real image. Have you ever seen the real image? Yes, we might be observed the real image in the theaters. So whatever the movie is playing, that is on the screen, that is the real image, children. Is it clear? This is the real time observation which we are observing the real image in our day-to-day life. Coming to the real image is formed due to the intersection of the reflected rays or refracted rays. Clear children? So the image which is formed due to the intersection of the reflected rays or refracted rays is called a real image. Coming to the virtual image is formed due to the intersection of the control rays. The control rays are nothing but the ray which is extended in backward direction of the reflected ray or refracted ray, that is called control ray. Control ray is nothing but the ray which is extended in backward direction of the reflected ray or refracted ray, that is called control ray. So those control rays are going to be form a virtual image. Coming to the real image, since it will form outside the mirror, so we can capture the image on the screen. Is it clear, children? Coming to the virtual image, it is not possible to place the screen inside the mirror, so it is highly impossible to form the image on the screen. So the virtual image could not be captured on the screen. Now coming to the real image is always inverted. The inverted characteristic is nothing but, see, for suppose this is the object O dash, the top will be appearing like bottom and bottom will be appearing like as top. This nature is called inverted characteristics. Here I am not talking about the enlarged, diminished characteristics. Real image is always inverted, but I am not talking about the enlargedness and decrement in the size of the object. Clear? Always the real image is always inverted. Coming to the virtual image will be always erected. So for this, the top will be appearing like top and the bottom will be appearing like as bottom. Clear? There is no inverted characteristics which we are not going to be observed in case of the virtual image. So virtual image is always erected. And coming to the real image is always inverted. The last point is the magnification produced by the mirror is always negative. Why? Because the image will form outside the mirror. So by means of that, you are going to get the negative magnification. In upcoming videos, clearly I will show that the magnification produced by the real image is always negative. Coming to the virtual image, since it will form inside the mirror or behind the mirror, so always the magnification produced by the virtual image is always positive. These are all the differences between the virtual image and the real image.